Welcome back to Gravity Automotive, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth car reviews that blend raw excitement with real-world insights. Today, we're stepping into the realm of pure driving bliss with the 2026 BMW M2 CS. This isn't just another sports coupe, it's the pinnacle of compact performance from BMW's M division, a machine that takes the already stellar M2 and dials it up to 11. If you're a gearhead craving that perfect mix of track-ready aggression and everyday usability, stick around because we're covering every angle, from its heart-pounding performance to its sleek design, innovative features, and what makes it stand out in a crowded field of high-performance cars. Let's start with the exterior, where the M2 CS screams presence without shouting. BMW has refined the G87 platform here, giving it a compact footprint that's just 180.6 inches long, 74.3 inches wide, and 54.9 inches tall, with a tight 108.1-inch wheelbase. That means it's nimble in city streets, but stable at high speeds. The CS badge brings exclusive touches that set it apart from the standard M2. Up front, you'll notice a more aggressive kidney grille with a blacked-out finish, flanked by sharper LED headlights that incorporate adaptive tech for better night visibility. The hood features subtle power domes, hinting at the beast underneath, and the front splitter is crafted from carbon fiber to reduce weight and improve aerodynamics. Speaking of carbon fiber, it's everywhere on this car. The roof, mirror caps, trunk lid, and that massive rear diffuser all use this lightweight material, shaving nearly 100 pounds off the curb weight, bringing it down to around 3,800 pounds. That's a big deal, because less weight means quicker acceleration, better handling, and more fun behind the wheel. Moving to the sides, the M2 CS rides on staggered wheels, 19 inches up front and 20 inches in the rear, wrapped in high-performance Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires as standard. These are track-oriented rubber that grips like glue on dry pavement, but still handles wet roads decently for daily driving. The wheel designs are unique to the CS, with a Y-spoke pattern in black or optional gold for that extra flair. Fender flares are wider than before, accommodating the beefier tires and giving the car a muscular stance that looks planted even when parked. And don't miss the CS logo subtly etched on the side vents and badges. They're a nod to BMW's motorsport heritage without being over the top. At the rear, things get really exciting. The signature quad exhaust tips poke out from a carbon fiber diffuser that's not just for show, it helps manage airflow to keep the car stable at triple-digit speeds. But the star here is the massive ducktail spoiler on the trunk lid. It's a throwback to classic BMW racers, adding downforce without the need for a full wing, and it gives the M2 CS a distinctive silhouette that's both retro and modern. Color options include exclusive hues like Frozen Portimao Blue or Voodoo Blue, paired with black accents for a stealthy vibe. Overall, the design is evolutionary rather than revolutionary, but it's those precise tweaks that make the CS feel special, like a standard M2 that's been to the gym and come back ripped. Now, slide inside, and the M2 CS welcomes you to a cockpit that's equal parts luxury and performance. The interior is driver-focused, with heavily bolstered M Sport seats wrapped in a mix of leather and Alcantara for grip during hard cornering. These seats are heated and ventilated with power adjustments and memory settings, so you can find your perfect position whether you're commuting or lapping a track. The CS gets unique carbon fiber trim on the dashboard, door panels, and center console, along with CS embroidery on the headrests and floor mats. It's subtle branding that reminds you this isn't your average 2 Series. The steering wheel is a thick-rimmed M-specific unit with red stitching and paddle shifters for the automatic transmission. Sadly, no manual option here, but more on that later. Behind it sits a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that's fully customizable, showing everything from revs and speed to navigation and even G-forces during spirited drives. Paired with a 14.9-inch curved infotainment screen running BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system, it's intuitive and responsive. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto,
a premium Harman Kardon sound system with 14 speakers, and even augmented reality navigation that overlays directions on the live camera feed from the windshield. For tech-savvy drivers, there's BMW's Connected Drive Suite, including over-the-air updates, remote start via app, and real-time traffic info. Storage-wise, it's practical for a compact coupe, a decent trunk with 13.8 cubic feet of space, split-folding rear seats for longer items, and enough room for 2 adults in the back on short trips. Safety features are comprehensive too. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring come standard, making it a safe daily driver despite its performance credentials. Fuel economy isn't its strong suit at 16 mpg city, 23 highway, and 19 combined. But with a 13.7-gallon tank, you'll get about 260 miles of range before refueling. But let's get to the heart of the matter, performance. Under the hood lurks a twin-turbocharged 3-liter inline-six, codenamed S58, that's been tuned to deliver 523 horsepower at 6,250 RPM and 479 pound-feet of torque from as low as 2,750 RPM. That's 50 more horses and 36 more pound-feet of torque than the standard M2, thanks to revised turbo mapping, a reinforced crankcase, and forged internals borrowed from motorsport. The redline hits 7,200 RPM, and the exhaust note is pure symphony, a deep rumble at idle that builds to a raspy howl under full throttle, enhanced by active exhaust flaps. Power routes exclusively through an 8-speed automatic transmission to the rear wheels only. No all-wheel drive here, keeping it true to rear drive purist roots. BMW claims 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds, but independent tests suggest it could dip into the low 3s with a quarter mile in under 12 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 177 miles per hour with the M driver's package, but it's the way it delivers that power that's addictive. The throttle response is razor sharp, with multiple drive modes from Efficient to Sport Plus that adjust everything from steering weight to suspension firmness. Speaking of handling, the M2 CS is a corner-carving masterclass. It features adaptive M suspension with specific damper and spring rates, dropping the ride height by 0.2 inches for a lower center of gravity. Combined with an active M differential that shuffles torque between the rear wheels, it minimizes understeer and lets you power out of turns with playful oversteer if you want, or neutral poise if you're chasing lap times. Braking is handled by massive compound discs, 15.7 inches front, 15 inches rear, with red calipers standard, and optional carbon ceramics for fade-free performance on the track. We took the M2 CS for a spin on both winding back roads and a closed circuit, and it shines in both. On the street, it's compliant enough for daily duties. The ride is firm but not punishing, absorbing bumps without drama. Push it hard though, and it transforms. The extra power makes overtakes effortless, and the chassis balance lets you dance through corners with playful oversteer if you want, or neutral poise if you're chasing lap times. Compared to rivals like the Porsche Cayman GTS or Audi RS3, the M2 CS feels more raw and engaging, less filtered. It's not the quickest in a straight line. AWD competitors edge it out, but for pure driver involvement, it's unmatched in its class. What are the unique selling points? First, it's the lightest and most powerful M2 ever, blending heritage with cutting-edge tech. The weight savings and power bump make it a serious track tool, yet it retains the M2's approachable nature, no intimidating complexity here. It's also exclusive. Production is limited, adding to its desirability. Priced at $99,775, it's a premium over the base M2's $66,000-ish start, but you get what you pay for. Carbon bits, upgraded brakes, and that intoxicating performance. Drawbacks: no manual box is a bummer for purists, and the rear seats are tight for taller passengers, but for enthusiasts, it's a dream. In conclusion, the 2026 BMW M2 CS is more than a car. It's an experience that reignites your passion for driving. Whether you're a track day warrior or just love the thrill of a well-engineered machine, this CS delivers in spades. If this review got your engines revving, hit that like button, subscribe to Gravity Automotive for more, and drop a comment. Would you take the CS over a standard M2? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.